All right, summer or winter? Summer.
Summer.
Morning or night person?
I'm a bit of a night owl.
Oh yeah, night owl, me too. Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Bath or shower? Bath.
Shower.
Weird.
You don't want to sit in your festering water.
Oh, stop. Dinner party or couch potato? Ooh.
Depends on the week we've had.
Yeah.
I do love a bit of Netflix and chill.
Yeah, let's say couch potato at the moment. Cooking or washing up? Cooking.
Cooking.
Do you love to spend or save?
Spend.
Renovating or decorating?
Renovating.
Decorating. Neutrals or colour?
I like neutrals.
Neutrals. Minimalist or maximalist? Minimalist.
Yep, minimalist.
Neat freak or organised chaos? Ooh. For the block, we'll probably organised chaos.
It wasn't even organised, it was just chaos, but I would say I'm a bit of a neat freak.